I must live the charmed fucking life. You know why? Because I let someone just borrow my fucking truck. Then I get a call. They wanted to borrow it to get some shit out of storage. Then they just called to tell me that's after 9 and the gate's locked so they can't get out. So there's my fucking truck with these fucking idiots locked in the fucking place. Cool.
Hey look, I've got my orange inmate outfit on.
Kick one of the doors till the cops come. Be like, hi, let us the fuck out.
No, dude, you know why? If a cop comes for like a security thing, it costs like $300.
It doesn't cost you shit. Dude, they're the idiots. How the fuck did they not see you?
They said the gates are computer generated and the property manager has to open it during business hours.
You guys got a permit to be breaking and entering?
I know, yeah, if you ever store your stuff in public storage, this is how easy it is to get it out.